Lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant and it's found in really high levels in tomatoes. But here's what's really interesting is it's actually more bioactive if it's in cooked tomatoes. So like tomato paste or tomato sauce. So you're going to find more active lycopene in a cooked tomato base. Now, it's very powerful against prostate cancer. So I wanted to read you some things because I think this is a really interesting study. 2,102 men with prostate cancer were studied for the amount of lycopene in their fat cells. Well, lycopene is stored in your fat cells. So the men that had the highest levels of lycopene had a 44% lower risk of aggressive prostate cancer. So that's a really powerful thing that you can do for your body, right? Is to get this in the body and it stores in body fat. So eat your tomatoes, maybe do some pasta, maybe do some tomato soup, and get those tomatoes in the body, especially for men. If you like more tips like this, follow us on Divine Farmer Health. Bye for now.